Dang, dude, you order enough tires for this RS1?
You know, I don't want to run out, you know, race tires, you know, weigh like 300 pounds a piece. But apparently Kyle says I'm a little stoned today. He walked in and I've been painting. I don't know.
It's potent. I don't know how you're just chilling in here.
Yeah, maybe I'm just used to being brain dead.
I convinced him into opening the door.
All right, guys, update. As you can see, the cage is painted. We still got to do a few tabs here and there, but it's easier to touch up a couple of spots than have to wait for the whole chassis to dry so you can't work on it. Front diff is getting ready to go back in. Steering rack, all the front end. Got seat bracket is done, ready to go in. 4 brand new ITP tear hooks.
Yeah. Oh, speaking of that, your Pro is now sitting on the jack because it was laying on my tire.
Oh, okay.
So
no problem. What else do we got to talk about? It's painted. We got body tabs on.
Yep, on this side.
So got
sweet
steering mount in, tubes in to mount the dash to when we get it back together. I think that's currently about all the updates we got going on. So bumper's finished, got that done.
Yeah, it looks sweet.
So yeah, moving along. Back to work and give you guys another update in a bit.
What we got here, Jason?
New wheels.
New wheels, huh?
New wheels. If I can get them out of the bag. I mean, I've already had the box open once, so.
Yeah, you had to get the bead lock ring out. You're doing some special stuff for those.
Yeah.
You're doing hot pink, right?
Yep. Fluorescent pink, yeah, right. Brand spanking new muscle race wheels.
Man, those do
bead
look
locks.
Better in person than the picture you sent me.
Yes. They're pretty sweet wheels. Nice and light. I think they say they're 18 pounds, so
okay.
Not too shabby. So,
and then they're going on some ITP tear hooks.
Yep, got some fresh tear hooks to go on it.
People say we're not copying the blog either because you're an OG with those tires.
Yes, I am. I am an OG with the tear hooks.
Yeah, you originally had them on your 17 turbo.
Yep. So we got some more welding to do on the chassis. You guys can probably see some idiot painted it all already, but
I think we showed that last time. Maybe? I don't remember. I'll find out when I'm editing.
It's a lot easier to touch a few spots up and be able to still work on the rest of the car than have to wait for the whole chassis to dry was my thinking. So
yeah.
Now it's time to crack that whip, make Spencer get busy welding some tabs on for me.
Right, and then today my goal is to rebuild the clutches and mount those tires.
Yep. Gotta have the whole crew in to get me some help done. We're getting short on time.
We got, what, 2 weekends before?
Yeah, 4 days.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get busy, guys.
Alrighty. All right, time to mount these babies. Wheel, tire, bead lock. Bam!
Kyle got all them wheels and tires mounted, just snap of a finger. Got all 4 of them good to go. So, car's starting to look like something.
Yeah, got some fenders on.
Yeah, starting to really test fit stuff to get everything figured out exactly how it's got to end up.
Semi U-bolt.
Yep.
For a step.
Yep, yeah. I don't think I got to worry about my step bending. If I do, I've had a really bad day. So,
bad day.
Let's be honest, we'll probably end up bending it at some point, but.
Ain't wrong.
So I think we're going to grab some lunch and we're going to come back and hopefully make this thing look a whole lot more like a car yet today. So, yeah.
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 Yeah. I like the color choice, by the way.
Thank you.
That blue looks awesome.
Yeah, really close to the seats. Door panels. Door panels! Door panel. Got my pen. This one sits on a ledge.
On a ledge right there. So belt update, how's it doing?
Still good.
Okay. What was that, a 511?
511.
Yep, good stuff right there. It's rated for lots.
For the above and below the belt fupas.
For real. We got a guy that likes belts apparently, so.
Door panel.
Door panel.
Door panel.
Keep kicking.
Hey, there's
shit.
stuff around here. Door panel.
Door panel.
Both door panels are actually done.
It's true.
Custom wrap job too from Nova Cell.
Yeah, arrows pointing down.
They told me to keep the arrows pointing down, except there's one problem with that. The other side, the arrows point up, so I had to ask them which way I should have be pointing down.
That's for when you roll.
Yep, barrel rolls to the left only.
Barrel rolls to the left only. Got it. So,
Hey, and then if you take them off, there's no arrows.
exactly. So we got firewall we got to cut and a roof. That's next on the project list. So
And my 20-year-old jigsaw is losing life on its clamping force. We keep losing the blade.
it'll make it.
Poor
It can
Black
do
and
it.
Decker. Seriously think I got that thing like 05. I'm not joking.
Back to work.
What you doing, Kyle?
Oh, you know, this thing I love to do is called fabbing. I hate doing it.
I was say, don't let him fool you. He absolutely hates fabrication
Got a
work.
smile on his face. He's lying.
So,
That's because the ibuprofen's kicked in.
what do you think, Spencer? Are you ready to be sort of done with this project?
Yes.
What are you working on?
I mean, no. Tightening exhaust.
Is that exhaust? Is there exhaust on this car?
Yes.
What?
Just don't try and take the sticker
Hey.
off because it ain't coming off.
He already did.
The gas lines still are already hooked up too. What's that? Most of the wirings are on? We getting close to being able to fire this thing, Kyle?
We'll find out.
I think we are.
We will
Yeah.
find out.
A little more work. Is all the fab work done, Spence?
Believe so. Oh, no, we gotta put an O2 bung in.
Oh, gotta put the O2 bung in. Spencer's gotta put his bung in. But yeah, Kyle's getting a splash shield for the overflow tank because, oh, I don't want 200 and some degree water splashing on my neck if something happens. So, yeah, back to work.
What are we going to do here in a sec?
We're gonna flip the power switch for the first time in a long time. Cross your fingers, all of them. Can't do that. They'll lock in place. We got the battery hooked up.
I made a dash. Check
Yep,
this
Kyle made a
sucker.
dash.
hate
So if anybody
fabbing.
bitch at Kyle, not me.
Yep.
Air intake's in, pumper's in, master switch. It didn't explode.
That's promising.
Let's see if this hot wire switch works.
Yeah, if anybody has a spare ignition for a Polaris. Oh! Oh!
Did you jump that brake switch?
I thought I did. Oh, I didn't jump it. I just unplugged it.
Jump the brake switch.
Come on, belt boy. You know, we're making fun of you over this belt thing, and the dude's probably never going to look at our channel again.
Yeah.
He'll never see it.
But the thing is, he'll never comment again on it because, you know, I don't care.
I have
Right.
a steering light on and a check engine light.
Yeah, you got all kinds of crap on.
Do you have anything thinner than thick wire?
Yeah, you just need a regular piece of wire. All right, cut. All right,
Thick.
power.
Power. It cranks.
Yep, might take a second to get the fuel cycle through.
Yeah,
it.
she was empty. We drained it, so. Showing we're in high gear.
Oh, well, I got it in the wrong spot then. All right, temp number 3.
No, it says we're in reverse.
One more.
Hey, it says we're in park now.
Okay.
What?
Just go ahead. I feel air moving through there. It's wet from me spilling. Okay. All right, we're here at the fuel pump.
Yep, we heard the fuel pump had a couple of wires that were loose, so
Ah,
let's get
come
rid of
on,
them.
baby. That sounds spacey, man. I can't stand behind it. Sounds good. Besides the roof rattling. It's not bolted down yet. Alright, gotta check the coolant.
First time, 5 months. It's on its own tires.
Sitting on all fours.
Needs to scrub out a little bit in the front, but
Jump on it.
we'll see. Oh, Jesus.
You almost got it.
She's a little stiff,
She's a little stiff.
but she's on all 4 tires. Woo!
Yes.
Yep. You know what that means? I'm driving it today.
Yeah. I'm in. Everything's buttoned up. We just gotta put the panels interior in, right?
Yeah, panels interior, I want to change the oil.
Fluids, yep.
But yeah, she's pretty much buttoned up. I'm super excited.
Me too.
All right, let's get this done. I want to drive it.
Well, you just kind of test drove it.
It moved under its own power. I got to drive it. About 3 feet front to back.
Got all the door skins on, right? Nice set.
Yep. Got to do a little work. Add some more tabs for the roof.
Just hide it with a light bar.
Yep, hide it with a life bar. Like Scoot said, it'll just help blow the dust over the top of my head. So
Yeah, it's like a wind visor.
yeah. So the back panels are actually ready to go on. We just had them off to adjust the shocks, and I'm Captain Hook there, but yeah, I think we're really close to being able to go rip it, man.
Yes.
So yeah, we got a event coming this next weekend for who knows when you guys will see it, but so
Probably next Tuesday or
Yeah.
whatever.
so
So probably gonna see this upcoming Tuesday.
yeah, because this is Sunday before the event, so I think I'm gonna take a couple days off work this week to finish it up.
Button everything up.
Yep. So
Some of our links, harnesses need to go on still.
yep.
Got different harnesses on the way.
Yep.
Better
So-
suited for a race vehicle.
Yep. So anybody needs a set of nice brand new black PRP harnesses, let me know. 3-inch. Make a good deal on them.
Yep, 5.3s.
Yep. So all right, guys, I think we're gonna end the video here for this
Yeah,
one.
there should be enough on this one for this.
All right. We will see you guys later. See you next time. Thanks for watching.